Meaning of firm.
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 Firm. Firm is an adjective that describes something that is solid, strong, and not easily moved or changed. For example, a firm handshake implies a strong and confident person. A firm mattress offers solid support for a good night's sleep. In business, a firm can refer to a company or organization that provides goods or services. The word can also be used as a verb, meaning to make something more stable or secure, such as firming up plans for an event. Overall, firm connotes stability, strength, and reliability.